We still have what is now controlling the weather across South Africa. It's actually an extensive area of high pressure extending from the Atlantic Ocean into the southeastern parts of the country. And this area of high pressure is not only clearing the skies across the country, but it's also pushing cold polar air into much of South Africa. Now, this is what caused the very cold overnight temperatures as well as daytime temperatures throughout Tuesday. So the answer is no, it's not going to warm up across South Africa overnight. And in fact, it's going to stay pretty chilly for our mornings for the next couple of days as we head towards the weekend. Now, I'll quickly take you through what you can expect from now onwards. Over the eastern areas, we will stay with a southeasterly breeze driving in quite a bit of cloud into eastern Mpumalanga and the Limpopo province. And that cloud is going to result in light rain and drizzle overnight across the northeastern areas of the Limpopo province. And for the rest of South Africa, we will stay with those cloud-free skies thanks to this area of high pressure. And the cloud-free skies are going to allow for another chilly and frosty night across much of the Northern Cape, the Northwest, the Free State, much of Gauteng, as well as Mpumalanga, and the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, as well as the northeastern sections of the Western Cape. So in these areas, overnight temperatures are going to once again plummet to way below freezing. Then on Wednesday afternoon, we are going to have clear skies across much of South Africa, but it will stay chilly with temperatures staying mostly in the lower to mid-teens for much of the interior. It will be mild, however, along the coastal areas, and the light rain over the northeastern parts of Limpopo will continue into the evening on Wednesday. Now, tonight we are going to have just up to a 40% chance of light rain for the northeastern parts of the Limpopo province. Here's another closer look at the overnight temperatures that you can expect across South Africa as we head into Wednesday. It's going to be pretty chilly for much of the country. Like I said, Cape Town, a slight improvement compared to what we saw this morning with a minimum of 9 on Wednesday morning. But look at Sutherland. It will drop to around -8 degrees. Then over the northern areas of the Eastern Cape, overnight temperatures will get close to -5 degrees around Aliwal North, as well as for Forest Smith and Bloemfontein. Bethlehem and Harrismith will see minimums around -4. It will also be pretty chilly for much of Gauteng, an improvement, however, compared to what we saw this morning with Johannesburg with a minimum of around 1 degree. Also very cold over parts of Limpopo, but rather mild for Thohoyandou with a minimum of 13. Then on Wednesday afternoon, like I said, it's going to be chilly for much of the interior. Sutherland peaking at just 11 degrees, 14 for DR, the same for Bloemfontein, a chilly 12 for Bethlehem. It will be cold once again for Gauteng, Johannesburg managing a high of just around 15 degrees, slightly warmer for Mahikeng and Pretoria, both peaking at around 17. We will see highs in the lower 20s for the Limpopo and Mpumalanga Lowveld areas, as well as along much of the east coast. The southern parts of the country will be cool to mild, with Cape Town peaking at just around 17 degrees. Then on Thursday, we are going to see lots of sunshine across much of South Africa, with daytime temperatures warming up slightly, but there will be light rain showers around Richards Bay with a high of 21. Then on Friday, more cloud for Richards Bay with rainy weather persisting, and the rest of South Africa will be mostly sunny with mild to warm afternoon temperatures. That's all from me for now. Back to you, Vuya.